kumain ka na? Hindi po. Nakalagay is, advice for teens that want to be future P-pop stars such as me. Can I say the name? Who's it from?
Go ahead.
It is from Gab Montemayo. Hello, if nandito ka. Yeah, my advice, I guess, just, it may sound very simple and cliche, but just be yourselves. Kasi, like kami Bini, we're just our unapologetic selves, and yun yung gusto namin and gusto ng mga tao, yung nakita yung iba-ibang sides. Tapos, don't be scared to try new things. Don't be scared to try and learn stuff kahit wala kang experience, kahit wala kang knowledge, pero that's how you're gonna learn if you just try. Yes.
Thank you. Beautiful message. Thank you so much, Aya. And thank you to the letter senders. Is that Gab, right?
Yes, Gab.
Yeah. Thank you, Gab. Stacy.
Okay. To Beanie, thank you for all the music that you made. It saved me from Trees? T-R-E-E-S-E. Thank you so much po. Kasi happy yung hearts namin kasi nakaka-inspire kami ng mga tao through our music. We love you, Blooms. We will give you more.
Thank you. How about you, Joanna?
Yes, from Angel. Hi, Beanie. Thank you for bringing joy with your music and personality. Mahal ko kayo. We love you, Blooms. And thank you also for supporting us. Hindi lang yung music namin, pero thank you for always supporting us individually sa mga, alam mo yun, may mga solo ganaps man kami. Alam mo yun, hindi nyo pinaparamdam sa amin na may mahal kayong isa lang sa amin kasi ramdam na ramdam namin na lahat kayo OTA talaga and all our support. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Let's go ahead, Manoy.
Hi, my walo. I'm Patrick Dewey Juan. I'm so happy na nakilala ko kayo. You mean a lot to me since you saved me from being stressed, depressed, and pressured in my life. I know malayo pa ako, but I know na nandyan kayo to cheer me up. I wish for your health and safety always. The more years with you, mahal ko kayo. 2-3, thank you. Dewey. We love you, Patrick Dewey Juan. Whatever you're going through, dito lang kaming Beanie for you.
How about your birthday girl?
Okay, dear OTA, this is Kier or Kerr. I love you, Beanie. Thank you for always being my unpaid therapist. Will always support you till my last breath. Happy birthday. Continue to inspire. Take care always. Love loves. Ayun. Thank you. Alam niyo, mga ganitong letters, kinikip talaga namin, Beanie. Meron ako isang box naman ng mga letters. Thank you. Thank you, Blue.
Maraming salamat sa pagbabasa at pag-video react sa mensahe na. Thank you. Mika.
Hi, Walo. Thank you for being the breath of fresh air for us struggling with our mental health. Thank you, I found you all when I needed saving. Please continue to smile and inspire others. Maraming salamat at mahal ko kayo, Colette, Gwen, Aya, Manoy, Mika, Stacy, Sheena, and Jo. From Kai at Kyra Gail. Ano ba? Kyra Gail. Oh.
Oh, she's there. Maraming salamat. Uy!
Uy! Parang okay naman pala siya.
Okay naman pala siya eh.
It's really heartwarming that we hear these messages that we save you guys and we pull you out of the dark times, and it's an honor and we hope to continue to do the same things every time we release songs or every time you see us.
Thank you. Especially, alam, okay ka pa? All good pa? Or can I say din na naging okay ka lalo dahil sa kanila?
Okay.
Oh, okay na okay. Maraming salamat sa mga sulat niya and also to Wika. Gwenny.
Hello girls, sinama ako ni Kuya kasi nahihiya siya pumunta mag-isa.
Sino yun?
Kaya nga di ko alam kung paano ko to. At wala rin pangalan kung sino
Sinama ako ni Kuya kasi nahiya siya pumunta mag-isa.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Ako sinamahan, di ba?
Ay,
Andito?
Asan si Kuya? Hello, Kuya. Kuya Ricky. Kuya, next time huwag ka nang pumahingiya. Di naman ipaparamdam ng blooms tsaka na Bini mag-isa ka.
Ano pala siguro, ayaw tumayo ni Kuya nahiya pa rin. Thank you. And, Gina.
Hi, Bini Colette. Para sa kanya lang to. OP1 ka ha. Okay. Belated happy birthday! Thank you for inspiring me through your song, especially Carrera. It will be my medicine song every time I feel left out in life. Padayon, may walo. Padayon, may walo from Ina Reyna. Oh, what can you say, Tikon?
Thank you po. Pero 8 po kami kumando ng Carrera. Thank you po. Salamat.
Thank you. Thank you. Wala pa